Namaskar dost. Today's my topic is global warming. What is the global warming? When we're talking about the global warming, the first thing comes in our mind, that is carbon dioxide. The level of carbon dioxide increasing in our environment, it means it increases the heat of our environment. And due to increasing of heat, our glacier is melting. So the global warming is started, and when the glacier will melting and sea level will be increased. In the respect, we can see the sea level, when the sea level increase, and many climate change will started. So many factories and all around the emit the carbon dioxides and some other dangerous gases which is harmful for the ozone layer. Ozone layer is the layer who can control the all things, and it's filter the ultraviolet rays, which is very dangerous to our environment. Many peoples also be many peoples of our country or all over the world is suffering many diseases. So the global warming is the main reason where the ozone layer also decreases and world was increasing, and global warming increase the heat in the environment, and global warming is the increasing the heat of our environment, and day by day the heat temperature every season we can see in the season of the heat of our environment became very high, and people not survive in this many and the water of dry water or drinkable water is slowly goes down under the earth, and one day the people is assuming that there is no drinking water available on the earth after some years, because the global warming increased and water is not available on the earth's surface. So we have to be find out some other option for better our future and for better for our generation future, so that we can think about it. And the water is a very necessary thing for us and for our people. And whenever we are thinking about the water is always a very important and recommendable thing for the human body and other animals. And the sea level increasing and our natural water, which is the drinkable, is drying. And the main reason behind the global warming is to be emission of the carbon, and the emission of carbon is very heavy in many countries. Why the emission is carbon very heavy? Because the factories all over the world running by day and emit the lot of carbons, and the most of big countries like USA who emits the most of the carbon in our environment, which is totally wrong for our climate. And the climate change is started by the depending on this theory, that is increasing heat, and you can see the many changes, and the sea also be doing some movements very unrealistic, which is not we are habitual about it. And so I think that is the reason when we are see that is the point where we conclude the whole things, that global warming, if you want to be global warming, that we should stop the emission of carbon, and we should focus on the natural process, and we should formulating new methods to make any things without emit of the carbon, because carbon is the enemy of the our environment. So emission of carbon is a very dangerous. Whenever you are burnt any wastage, then it also will increase the CO2. And if you burn any electronics equipment which is not recyclable, and if you are burning them, it also be very dangerous for us and for our environment. And people are always thinking about that is the not good choice, but some people are not aware about it. And the factories of USA is USA not accept this idea, because USA have a big economy and they just run all the factories and companies and emit a lot of carbon. World of 70 to 80% carbon emit the USA, according to a report of STDC. And so this is the wrong way, and we can understand the whole things that the criteria of emitting of carbon should be very limited, and we should form a government or law as an international level who can make a strong rule for our environment, for save the world. Because if we can save our nature or we can save our world, then we have to be responsible for upcoming generation. Otherwise we will finish slowly. It is the theory of many scientists, but I am just clarifying a very short words. Thank you guys. If you like my channel, subscribe and like, and bye for now. Thank you guys.